Good morning, children. And today we'll be doing with the last topic of our chapter, that is your mixed operations. And children, in this topic, we will be discussing about the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division along with the brackets. So, and if these symbols are all together, and how will we solve them? What symbols? Plus, minus, multiplication, and the last one is your division. If they all come together, if you have an example, if you have 2 into 3 divided by 3, so the question comes here is, will you multiply 2 into 3 first, or you will divide 3 with 3 here? So all these type of questions will be discussed, and there is a rule, specific rule for solving this kind of question, that is your BODMAS, BODMAS. And what does this mean? Brackets of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So if in a equation, if you have numbers and with the following symbols, plus, minus, multiplication, division, and brackets also, then you need to follow this rule to solve them. The first operation that we will be discussing is off. And what does this off mean, children? Off means multiplication. Suppose, like, take an example here. Suppose I have 5 oranges. So twice of 5 oranges will be, twice of 5 oranges will be 2 into 5 will be equal to 10. So children, off means multiplication. What does off means? Multiplication. We can see some more examples. Suppose I have 5 times of 6. 5 times of 6. 5 times of 6. So what does 5 times of 6 means? That means 5 into 6 equals to 30. So in BODMAS, bracket of division, multiplication, subtraction, of means here multiplication. Suppose 10% of 100. 10% of 100. So 10% of 100 means 10 upon 100 into 100. So it will be 10. Suppose we can take one more example, children. That is 1/4 of 16. 1/4 of 16. And what does this mean is 1/4 of 16. So 1 upon 4 into 16. 4 4s are 16. So 1/4 of 16 will be equal to 4. So the operation of means multiplication. The of operation is carried out before the operations of division and multiplication. So if you have a question in which you have multiple operations, and the first one that you will be solving is the of operation. Okay, we can see some more examples to understand this operation. You have example number 1 on page 68. Page 68, example 1. So 80 divided by 4 of 5. So what does this mean? 4 of 5 means 4 into 5. So first you will solve this. 4 into 5 will be equal to 20. So 80 divided by 20. So 80 upon 20 will be 4. So 80 divided by 4 of 5 equals to 4. The next example that you have is 120 divided by 4 of 5 into 3. So please pay attention in this. 120 divided by 4 of 5 into 3 multiplied by 3. So firstly, you will solve the OF operation. You will not multiply 5 with 3. First you will multiply 4 of 5, that is 4 into 5. So 120 divided by 4 into 5 into 3. So 4 into 5 will be equal to 20 into 3 divided by 120 divided by 20 into 3. So children, the rule is bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So now what you have done, you have solved the OF operation. After this you will be solving the division operation. So 120 divided by 20. So 120 divided by 20 will be, children, 120 divided by 20 will be 6. Now after this you will solve the multiplication operation. 6 into 3, this will be equal to 18. So 120 divided by 4 of 5 into 3. First you will solve the OF operation. 4 into 5, 20. Then you will solve the division operation. 120 divided by 20. Then you will solve the multiplication operation. 6 into 3 equals to 18. The next example on page number 69, example 3. Example 3. 144 divided by 3 of 3 plus 5 into 5 of 8. So first you will be solving the, now the rule is BODMAS, bracket of division, multiplication and subtraction. So bracket. So now the first operation that you will solve is the bracket. So 5 plus 3 you will be solving the first, the numbers inside the bracket. So 5 plus 3 will be equal to 8. So this will become 144 divided by 3 of 8 into 5 of 8. Now 144 divided by 3 of 8 into 8 into 5 of 8. Now which operation, children? Of 144 divided by 3 of 8. So 3 into 8 will be equal to 24 into 5 of 8. So 5 of 8 will be equal to, children, 40. Now you are done with the bracket of Now you will be doing the division operation. So 144 will be divided by 24 and this will give you 6. When you divide 144 from 24, you will get 6 into 40 and the answer is 240. So bracket of division, then multiplication, and then after that you will have addition and the subtraction. We will look into the addition subtraction in the next example. Now children, we will discuss the types of brackets. So types of brackets. In your textbook on page number 69, you have 4 types of brackets. First one is the line bracket. Second one is the round brackets. Third one is the curly brackets. And the last one is the square brackets. So first one, this is a line bracket. This is not a minus sign. Second one is the round bracket. Third is the curly. And fourth is the square brackets. Now we will see how brackets are put in the question and how will we solve them. So we will be using the brackets. So important, this is very important children, rules of brackets. Rules of brackets. So in rules of brackets children, whenever we are writing numbers and they are having different operations, they are always separated by some brackets. For example, 6 plus 3 into 4. Now here 3 into 4, 3 is multiplied with 4, so they are kept in a bracket separate from this addition sign. So if you want to solve this, first we will solve the brackets, the number inside the bracket. So 6 plus 3 into 4 will be equal to 12 and 6 plus 12 will be equal to 18. So the very first thing that you will solve is the inside the brackets. If this would have been addition, if this would have been like 6 plus 3 plus 4, then 4 plus 3, 7, and 7 plus 6, 13. Now, so an important point to be noted here children is, if a positive sign is outside the bracket, if a plus sign is outside the bracket, then there will be no change inside the brackets. That means if you have 12 plus 5 into 9, so first you will solve the numbers inside the bracket. 5 into 9 is 45. So 12 plus 45, you will get the answer as 57. But if there is a minus sign outside the bracket, so let's see an example. If you have 10 minus 5 into minus 3, so 10 minus 5 into minus 3 will be minus 15, and when you will open the bracket, what will happen? This minus and minus will become plus. So 10, this minus and minus, this minus and this minus. the minus which is inside the bracket and there is a minus outside the bracket. So this minus will change this minus into plus, and this will become 10 plus 15. This will be 25. But if children, suppose you have a question like this: 7 minus 5 into minus 3 into 1, and we take this as minus 5. This is minus 5. Okay, so 7, this minus 5 into minus 3 will be 5 into 3 will be 15, and minus minus will become plus. 15 into 1 will be 15. So you have a negative sign outside the bracket. So this 15, which has a positive sign inside the bracket, will now be 7 minus 15, and you will get the answer as minus 8. From the previous examples that we have discussed, we understand this कि if there is a negative sign or minus sign outside the brackets, then what will happen? The solution which we had inside the bracket, if it was negative, if we have a minus sign outside the bracket, and if here is a number minus 3, then this minus will become plus 3, and if it is plus 3, then it will become minus 3. So what I'm trying to tell you here is this: if there is a negative sign outside the brackets, and when you open the brackets, the signs inside the brackets will change. If there is a minus, it will become plus. If there is a plus, then it will become minus. And this is also applicable for multiple numbers. Like when we will discuss the exercise, we will see into those examples. Now, the next rule is this: if there is a number before a pair of brackets, 5 brackets 8 minus 9 divided by 3. So when you will solve this question, first you will solve with bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So inside the bracket which is in the innermost of the question, so this is the bracket 5 8 minus, so 9 is divided by 3, and you will get the answer as 9 is divided by 3 as 3. So you have 8 minus 3. So 8 minus 3 will be equal to 8 minus 3 will be equal to, children, it will be 5. And 5 into 5 will be equal to 25. So what I'm trying to tell you here is this: if there is a number outside the bracket, and when to solve the question, these values inside the bracket, on solving, when you get to the final integer, here in this case it is 5. So this 5 is multiplied with the number which is outside of the brackets. Now children, we will be discussing some examples. Example 25. Example 25, page number 69. The first example that we have here is -8 minus round bracket -3 curly brackets into 5. So you know the rule, bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and then you have subtraction. So how will we solve this? First, we will solve in the bracket which is in the innermost of the question. So this will be -8 minus, when you remove this bracket sign, the minus outside and we have a negative sign inside. So this minus minus will become, the sign will change. This will become -8 plus 3 into 5. So -8 plus 3 will be -5. -5 into 5, this will be equal to -25. So bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So we solve the very innermost bracket first, this one, then we move on to this one, and then we multiply the integer to the final integer which we have obtained from inside the bracket. Example 27, page number 69. In this example, children, the question is 70 minus 56 divided by 4 of 7 minus -21 plus 5 divided by 4 into 2. So children, first of all, the rule says that bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So first we will solve the OF operation, this operation. So this OF operation is the operation of multiplication. So 70 minus 56 divided by 4 into 7 will be 28 minus 21 plus 5. So this operation will be solved now. Together from the very first line, in the second line we are doing this OF and this bracket. So -21 plus 5 will be equal to -16 divided by 4 into 2. Now we have solved the OF operation, we have solved this bracket. Now the next thing that we will be doing is the division. So we will do the 56 divided by 28 and -16 will be divided by 4. So this will be 70 minus 56 divided by 28 will be 2 minus, and -16 divided by 4 will be -4. So bracket -4 into, you have this 2 here. So 70 minus 2 minus 4 into 2. Now you will multiply -4 into 2. So this will be 70 minus 2 will be 68 minus of -4 into 2 will be -8, and this minus minus will become plus. So this will be 68 plus 8, and the answer will come out to be 76. Example 28, page 70. So children, in this example you have 90 minus 40 minus 175 divided by minus 5 minus 28 plus minus 16 divided by 4 bracket divided by 6 curly bracket close, square bracket close. So children, how will you do this? Now you know bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So here in this we don't have any off operation, so we will be starting off with the division operation. So 90 minus 40, this 175 will be divided by minus 5, so this will become minus 175 divided by minus 5 will be minus 35, and this minus of 28, this 16 minus 16 is divided by 4, so minus 16 divided by 4 will be equal to minus 4. So minus, you have the minus sign outside here, and 28 minus 4 divided by 6. Now still we have this division operation here. 90 minus 40 minus 35. So 28, this bracket will be solved now. 28 minus 4 will be equal to 24, and we have a minus sign outside, so this will be minus 24 divided by 6. Now 90 minus 40 minus 35, and minus 24 will be divided by 6, this will be minus 6, so this will be 6 into 6 for the 24, so minus 35 minus 6 minus 4, so 35 minus 4 will be equal to minus 39. So 90 minus 40 minus of minus 35 minus 4 will be minus 39 bracket close. Now most of the of multiplication, everything has been solved. Now simply we will be solving the remaining addition subtraction brackets. Now please pay attention children. 90 minus 40, this minus minus will be plus 40 plus 39, and this will be 90 minus 79 equals to 11.